Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, here's part 2 of the HVAC repair. Please excuse the noise in the background because that is the exhaust fan. We got a few cars running in the shop. Now we're at phase 2 where everything is taken apart and now we have all the new parts laid out. So let's get a little quick recap for you. That's the way they came in. This is how it's going right now. It's going very well. Here we have all of our old parts. Now let's go to where he was hiding the whole time. We have our heater core there. We have our evaporator core right there. Now this guy we had to clean because it's on like some intergalactic freaking back order. We couldn't get it. The heater core, well, we have one to replace it if needed. Now where he was, there they are right there. The reason why the smell would not go away. They were deep in this HVAC assembly. Very deep, giggity. Now we had to take it all apart, piece by piece. Now for the meat and potatoes, here is all the new stuff that we have to put together to become one piece. All the hardware, not a lot, all the hardware I'm gonna have to transfer over. Some of the servos, some of the blend doors we're gonna have to transfer over. Good thing this is external to the HVAC and not internal. We're gonna have to swap this guy over. Now, look, they were even chewing over here. So, here's the fresh air inlet. This is how it looks now. And this is how it's supposed to look. They freaking chewed this whole thing out. Great googly moogly. And they started freaking gnawing on this part too. So, out of all these pieces here, we got a nice jigsaw puzzle ready to go for me. I got all the ducting that I got to figure out where they go. It's not going to be too hard because here's the dash. We have some ducting going on here, which is not going to be that bad. There's a left, there's a right, there's a center. You can't really mess it up, but I'm sure I'll find a way. So we're looking around, got all these parts here. We're going to put them all together, and we're going to make this car right. We're going to make it nice and right. It's going to be smelling good. And then we got this here. So I got to put all that googats together to get into here before I put the crash bar up, because the HVAC assembly gets right here, the heater core goes through right there, the evaporator core goes through, oh, not there, over there. Hey, you know what, I'm on the back half of the job, which is not that bad. It's not that good, but you know what I mean. So guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. Take the journey with me. Oh yeah.